a little incident with the lens. I had to take the camera apart. Oh, those are little. Got the new camera in. Says it's gonna have a calibration error message. Got this off of DJI OEM parts for 25 bucks. So I could change just the lens, but this is one of the first O3s, and it had the problem of you couldn't use the Rocksteady without it freaking out, acting weird. So that's why I'm going to change the whole thing and see if that fixes that problem. Alright, got it back on there. Getting ready to try it. Well, it does show the calibration error, but I guess I'll see how good the stabilization is. That little error message won't really bother me. Okay, with the goggle view, you can see the camera calibration errors there, but the video looks nice and smooth. But when I turn on Rocksteady, here's what I get, even with rubber mounts on the camera. But with Rocksteady off, it doesn't look too bad. So I don't know, this is the only O3 I have that does this. Otherwise, the new $25 lens looks good.